from the Bay County Public Library, and this is What's Cooking. We have two new great additions to our nonfiction collection. The first one is Just the Good Stuff by Rachel Mansfield. In this book, there are 200 guilt-free recipes that are gluten-free, paleo-free, and sugar-free. I like this book especially because there is a color-coded label in each recipe that tells you if it's gluten-free, dairy-free, sugar-free, nut-free, and you can automatically look at this and tell if this recipe is going to suit your needs. This book also has recipes divided by snacks, breakfast, main courses, vegetables, and other exciting entrees. One of my favorites in this book is Dark Chocolate Classic Banana Nut Bread. Most of you all have these ingredients in your pantry. It suggests using coconut oil, and I found that a substitute for coconut oil is butter if you don't have that. But the pages are very visually stimulating. There are lots of details, and it's an attractive book, and I welcome you to read this in our collection. Hi, my second recommendation is Magnolia Table Volume 2 by Joanna Gaines. Her first Volume 1 came out in 2018. I'm a big fan of Joanna Gaines. Her recipe books have beautiful illustrations and graphics. They show wonderful decorating tips. As you can see, also outdoor decorations. This book is organized by the art of gathering, special information on herbs and seasoning blends. Also, it talks about scratch-made pie crust. There are bread recipes, breakfast recipes, soups and salads, appetizers, and side dishes, as well as dinners. The recipe that I'm recommending from this book, especially as fall is approaching, is called Spinach Tortellini Soup. Most of these ingredients are in your pantry. You can buy fresh tortellini in your dairy section, in your local grocery store, but it's a fantastic recipe with simple ingredients. She also has award-winning recipes like her zucchini bread that is in the Waco, Texas shop of Magnolia Garden. I recommend her highly, and I hope that you will check out these books at our local library today.